These are some tips for a healthy lifestyle. These are some tips for a healthy lifestyle. You should sleep at least 8 hours a day. You should sleep at least 8 hours a day. You should eat fruits and vegetables. You should eat fruits and vegetables. You should exercise every day. You should exercise every day. You should meditate to manage your stress. You should meditate to manage your stress. These are my hobbies. These are my hobbies. I like hiking. I like hiking. I like swimming. I like swimming. I like biking. I like biking. I like playing golf. I like playing golf. I like skiing. I like skiing. I like camping. I like camping. I like dancing. I like dancing. I like playing guitar. I like playing guitar. She likes to travel. She likes to travel. She likes going to the museum. She likes going to the museum. She likes to sing. She likes to sing. She likes playing the drums. She likes playing the drums. She loves to bake. She loves to bake. She loves doing yoga. She loves doing yoga. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I like. You like. He likes. She likes. It likes. We like. You like, plural. They like. I like. You like. He likes. She likes. It likes. We like. You like, plural. They like. I love. You love. He loves. She loves. It loves. We love. You love, plural. I love. You love. He loves. She loves. It loves. We love. You love, plural. They love. My. Your. His. Her. Our. Your, plural. Their. My hobbies. Your hobbies. His hobbies. Her hobbies. Our hobbies. Your hobbies, plural. Their hobbies.